Hi guys, how you doing? I'm going to tell you about plants and how Jamaica is looking beautiful. So when we look over here, we have the single Bible right there. Then when I go over here, we have the peppermint. Then when I come over here now, we have the Norman mint, the regular mint. Then we have some normal plants here. And I'm also going to show you about fruits in Jamaica. This is sweet soursop. Here are some other bushes over there. Blah, blah, blah. So, coming down here now, we have the sweet sap. Now up here, I'm going to show you the view. That's an almond tree, by the way. I'm going to come up here and show you the view that we are having right now. Just look at that. Look at the view we are having in Jamaica. For the exact location of Jamaica, we are in Victoria Town, Manchester. And this we're at the foot of hill here. So if you want to find me in Jamaica, there where I am living. And we have some animal also. Look at the puppy. Look at him. Look. And we have another one who looks so innocent. And we have another one who looks super innocent. And look at the jealous one now come Rover. So that's Jamaica and it's beautiful view. We have dragonflies flying around, sometimes strong crowd, and motorcycles just making up a lot of noise. So we have beautiful winds, beautiful view, and beautiful animals also. So in the next video, I'm probably going to look at more of this. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Okay? Please like and subscribe for me, please. I'm begging you. Like and subscribe.